So bonuses and incentives, easy win when you have team members is to create a goal for them. Goal is just like literally a numeric thing that you share with them, have them track it, hold them accountable per month. By just doing that, you're going to 50% up to 100% increase their performance. On top of that, if you can further also incentivize them, even better. And we tried out different ways. And the typical way is usually try to do it per sign up, per documents, things like that. Again, I don't want to talk about ethical stuff. Those kinds of concerns. But ideally, talking about just performance wise, 3-tier performance-based incentive is the way to go. Okay, that means you break down the goal into three tiers, so that it gives them something to shoot for, and also gives them further to shoot for. Not just like one line, hit this. You do 10 push-ups, that's it. No, if you do 10 push-ups, great. 12, great. 15, even better. The first level is something usually that they strive for, but should be achievable. It shouldn't be so far-fetched. You want them to earn these incentives. Not only will you get the result of this, which is what you want, but now they'll be pushed to go for the next level. So, the number is kind of, there's no direct art or science or numbers that I could share with you. I just put some random numbers in here. The best thing is just to create it for the first month, see how they do, and based on that, you can adjust. We essentially every month or two we meet as partners. When we have high level meetings, most of our time just comes down to numbers, like literally tracking of numbers, how we're doing, and then how can we create the goals and incentives for everybody. That's generally like 80% of our team meetings, partner meetings are just about that. Like out of all the things that we talk about to grow the business, that's what it leads to. So ideally, for the ones that are very clear with the numbers, 3-tier kind of thing. But also got some more high-level advice about bonuses from 30, 40 years of experience of giving bonuses that I'll be sharing with you. So bonuses should typically be another 25% of salary. These are more for your in-house employees, for those really important roles. Ideally, if their pay is so high that you can't afford a bonus, then maybe their pay should be lower so you can give a bonus to increase their performance. Or, if you already have people that already have salaries, you can't do anything about that, but maybe for future hires, have that in mind. Salespersons, people that are signing up clients for you, typically should have the biggest upsides of bonuses because it's the one that really depends on their performance the most, right? So have that in mind. If a salesperson or intaker gets paid hourly, the commission should be a maximum 2% of their revenue closed. If it's not just revenue, then whatever, that makes sense. But basically just have in mind, obviously, if you're already getting paid hourly, then it's a little bit more based on number of clients that they sign up, basically.
Hey, hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you're a lawyer and you're looking to work smart, scale fast, and enjoy life, right below this video, you'll find a link to book a call to speak to my team so we can tell you how we've been able to help over 500 law firm owners scale their law firm. Now back to the video.
In big corporations, a good payment structure is 60% salary, even up to 40% of bonus. So like very high level stuff, but typically 25%. Also, about a month or so ago, I did a full training about how to build your virtual intake team. But it shows with you how to track it, create goals, incentives. But a lot of this kind of stuff is here. So Kiwaku says they'll have 3 VAs, 1 team manager. What does the team manager do?
She does a lot. She's been with me for about 2 years, and she was doing pretty much everything that I didn't want to do before. So she would contact clients, contact providers, get documents, write first drafts of demands for me, follow up with the clients to make sure they update them and make sure they're treating. I'll answer emails when adjusters have questions, answer clients when they have questions.
Doing a lot, which is fine. We always have the one amazing one that can handle a lot. So first thing I would do is get him and her, make a list of everything that she's working on. Make a list along with some analysis. Say for each task, I want to give a score 0 to 5. Which one for each of these, which with 0 being the lowest, 5 being the highest, which one has the highest value for our law firm? So just say answers emails. That's like a 5. That's 1 grading score. And also give me another score for each task. Which one are you best at and enjoy doing the most? And not only will you get a full list, but you also get 2 scores. What you're gonna do is get this list, add it up or analyze it. The most important number, I think, is the first one. First number is how valuable this is for the law firm. He or she will know pretty well. And ideally, you want to give her those tasks that have the highest value and also the ones that she enjoys doing her best at. And let's get her focused on those 3 to 5, ideally just 3, up to 5 if need be. Let's get her to do more of those things and just get fully in charge of those things, and even maybe hire a VA under her to do more of that. And everything else, let's go create another role for that. And what you're doing is you're bringing up her value. You're being analytical, bring out which one has the most impact for your law firm and the one that she thrives at, and get her to do more of that. And then you're also creating a role that you pull out. You can create that role. Based on those 3 to 5 tasks, one of those will be some numerical thing that you could pull out. If you answer 100% of my emails, which means that I don't have to answer my emails. Second thing, if you, I don't know what else, he or she does, you also do that, which leads to maybe whatever kind of desired outcome for you, then I will give you $100, $200, whatever that is. Document collector is relatively easy, right? That one is just, hey, if you sign up about 30 clients a month, at this point, you probably should hopefully have some idea of out of the 30 clients that you do retain, how many of them do you actually end up getting documents. If you don't have that, just create a goal, to say, for us, we have 30.
Yeah, she doesn't do document in that sense. She's just contacting providers and getting the medical records, the bills from providers that the clients are treating at, or she's collecting basically documents after we've signed up clients that we need from them.
Turn it into a numerical number.
Okay.
And then that's, again, look at how many clients you sign up per month. And based on that, we sign up usually 30 clients per month. So every month I want you to collect 30, medical records, 30 clients medical records. Or, sometimes, the full 30 is hard, maybe like 80% minimum, like 80% of those should be collected every month. Let's talk about marketing VAs. So if you have somebody who's just a marketing person, it's much better to define, kind of like what I just did with Kawoko, define what are you doing for marketing? What is that? And it's very rare to just get good results from somebody who just does marketing. It's just much better to figure out what they're doing, figure out which one is having the most impact for your law firm. So for example, posting some on Instagram, posting some stuff on blog posts, but really evaluate, where am I getting my clients? Am I getting my clients from Instagram? Am I getting from blog posts? If it seems like you're getting more of your clients from your SEO and your website and things like that, okay, then instead of doing Instagram, cut out Instagram, go post 5 blogs a week instead of posting 1. Okay. So start with the list of all marketing tasks that he or she is doing. Evaluate from which of these do I get the most clients from. You're going to eliminate everything else that he or she is doing. And you're going to say, do 5 times more of the one that you're doing more of. 5 times more. Marketing is either, when it comes to posting and organic stuff, either do it, a lot of it, or don't do it. 1 a day, 1 a week stuff doesn't get you anywhere. Go hard. And again, be cutthroat with this. Like really evaluate, am I really getting clients from Instagram? Am I really getting clients from a blog? Obviously, it's, it takes some time for the result to come back, but be cutthroat with this. If it doesn't, let's just, I think you can spend this, even take this money and dump it into something else. It'll be more worth your while.
Okay. Yeah, the blogs are more of a long-term, thing. I know blogs that I wrote 4 years ago, 3 years ago, I'm still getting calls from them, and I don't even practice that anymore. So I'm trying to just those down and have the Google recognize other blog topics that they pick up.
Something we could do is, I don't want to do it right now, but you could share with me your website. I could put it into SEMrush, let you know whether it's actually doing something or if it's worthwhile to continue it. And if it is, you actually are getting visitors and leads and clients from it, then again, we want to do it 5 times more.
So SEMrush?
Yeah, SEMrush is the tool. I could do it. It's like $100 a month kind of tool. Either I could do it quickly for you, but I just don't want to do it right now, or just go on Fiverr, pay $10 for somebody to fill out the report for you and tell them, hey, analyze, should I continue doing SEO, basically.
Lawyer Nation, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, take a moment right now to subscribe right below and turn on the bell notification to get notified every time I post a video, because right now I'm posting 5 videos a week, providing lots of value to lawyers. So click right here to subscribe, and to watch the next most relevant video, click right here. Go do it, go watch it.